So what does low FODMAP actually stand for? So FODMAP stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides and polyols. Easy, I know, to remember. So these are a certain type of like carbohydrates that can't, or people struggle to break down, basically. And this is particularly common in IBS, which is why the low FODMAP diet was founded. And essentially these are food groups that have low versions of those particular FODMAPs in them. And we're going to go into those in a bit more detail a bit later. It came from a university called the Monash University, which is in Melbourne in Australia, and has actually been taken up by King's College here in the UK. They are the kind of recognised university that teach dietitians and nutritionists how to implement this diet. So that's what low FODMAP stands for. And it's really a diet that is aimed at kind of IBS and sometimes Crohn's disease and various other diseases that exist around the kind of bowel and stomach areas. So please, again, a word of warning, you know, I'm not a GP, I'm not a nutritionist or a dietitian. So if you aren't sure about your symptoms or you're not sure what you have, then you must seek professional advice, because that is very, very clear and very important to me. This is a course that I've put together about, once I knew what I had and what was going to be beneficial for it, how I adapted my lifestyle to that diet, because that's hard in itself, and that's why I've gone ahead and created this, so that I can bring you some value in those lessons. What I'm not here to do is tell you what you have or what you might need to do because of it, because there are some very serious diseases out there and serious conditions that really do require professional help, and that's not me, guys. So without further ado, let's crack on with the course and move into it.